Welcome to our guide on how to convert SPAYLATER to cash instantly. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know. Converting your SPAYLATER to cash has numerous benefits, including ease of use, quicker access to funds, and enhanced flexibility. Let's delve into the fastest method available for making this conversion seamlessly. Follow these simple steps to convert your SPAYLATER to cash. Step 1. Log into your SPAYLATER account. Sometimes things don't go as planned. Here are common issues people face and how to fix them. To ensure a smooth conversion, keep these tips in mind. Check your balance, verify your account details, and stay connected to the internet. Your security is paramount. Make sure you're using secure networks and keeping your accounts protected. In conclusion, converting SPAYLATER to cash can be a quick and easy process if done right. Follow my tips, and you'll be good to go. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Your financial journey is about to get a whole lot easier.